So we need to find the multiplicative inverse of a complex number z. Z equals 1 plus I. So the multiplicative inverse of complex number z is z of zm. And zm is such number that z times zm equals 1. And from this we get that zm actually equals 1 over z. Since we know that z equals 1 plus I, we can rewrite it as zm equals 1 over 1 plus I. Now we do the rationalization for complex numbers. So we multiply our expression. So we write down zm equals 1 over 1 plus I, and we multiply it by 1 minus I over 1 minus I. So we basically multiplied it by 1. So that's why I didn't change our equality. Great. So now zm equals 1 minus I over 1 plus I times 1 minus I. So zm equals 1 minus I. Now we see that the denominator here actually equals 1 minus I squared. And we know that I squared is equal to negative 1. So we can substitute negative 1 for I squared, and we will get that zm equals 1 minus I, 1 minus negative 1. So that means that zm equals 1 minus I over 2. That's why zm equals 1 over 2 minus 1 over 2 times I. So the required multiplicative inverse of the given complex number is 1 over 2 minus 1 over 2 I.